I'm Rob Hicks and I'm a consultant surgeon at the Three Shires Hospital here in Northampton. I have a special interest in hernia surgery. The most common type of keyhole surgery that I perform at the Three Shires is a laparoscopic TEP inguinal hernia repair. This technique has the advantage of smaller incisions and quicker recovery, especially if doing a hernia repair on both sides. The operation involves placing a mesh behind the muscle wall layers to cover the hole in the abdominal wall. Using a mesh has been shown to reduce the chance of recurrence of the hernia. As you can see, this mesh is lightweight, inert, and springs open into the correct position. I prefer to fix the mesh in place with a medical glue. A keyhole hernia repair is performed under general anaesthetic, and most people can go home on the same day. It takes about a week to recover, 4 weeks until you are back to full exercise, and I often recommend some physiotherapy for those people who are interested in returning to a good level of sport. If you'd like to come and see me for a consultation, you can book online or contact the Three Shires Hospital directly.